How to change font size to small on Facebook Lite. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can change font size to small on Facebook Lite. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Since Facebook Lite does not have an in-application font size settings, so in order to change the Lite or the application font size, you have to go through your application system settings. So for that, open up settings in your device. Under settings, scroll down a bit and head towards an option as display. Under display, you will have an option to change the font size. Here scroll down a bit and then tap on display size and text. Here scroll down and there is an option for font size. You will see a slider under the font size. Now you can move the slider to your left to decrease the font size. So once you have adjusted your settings, you can simply exit from the settings and then restart your Facebook Lite. Once you reopen the application, you will see the changes takes effect on the application itself when you change the application from your main device settings. So that was one of the way to change the font size to small on Facebook Lite, since the Lite does not support the built-in font size feature. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.